used to have it. Somebody came. Zuzu Zimbabwe. No, we soon like Oyibo. You see this always done like this. No, Oyibo. So you will not fall. This one will send you. But one thing I like about Oyibo people, you don't think the name of Oyibo disease. That disease, the name is sweet. Hepatitis B. Staphylococcus. Sydney.
See the
disease. It always be tutu. Television. Kro. I love them. But what did they tell me about Nigerians? I beg Nigerians. If you take church, make it on your ways when prophets in the land before that came. Please. Pastor, never talk. You get one conference when you do for Lagos every year. I think it's every month. It's called Holy Ghost. I think Holy Ghost something every month for you. Election camp. For those who are know Papa Legoyi, the Redeemed General Overseer, if you clap beats before you begin preach, they give prophecy. I take the redemption camp as that quietly. One man said that this to me. As Papa they talk, he enters stage, see somebody shout hallelujah, everybody shout hallelujah. The next number Papa Legoyi, he will bring the prophecy. He just said there is a man here. Now wait till you come. There is a man here. One man will sit down next to me. You see this one is like for chest. My brother, I am the man. Papa Legoyi call the beat and repeat. There is a man here. The guy looked again. My brother, now give me that man. The next word that you talk now, you've been a wizard for 45 years. And that time you call me, they say, my brother, not be me, I say, I you. You are that man. When I wait for prophecy, I don't take church for this one Lord here. This one Lord. When I just come, when I forgot what I tell you. Thank you, my brother. What I come from this guy. Thank you. See this girl. Good boy. What you do for prophet now? What you do? So I said, Pastor, what is that? Oh, yeah, promotion. But let me talk. And they not serious though. Different things they happen. This one on here, when I let one for Manchester, I did one church for Manchester, Essex. The pastor of the preach, all of a sudden, the pastor just said, there are certain people who forget about it. We don't wait to hear what they forget about. All of us will tell ourselves, forget about it. Me, I don't tell 5 people. I don't say I stretch out for about 10, 6 persons waiting on that. As I walk, the person said, forget about it. As I walk to walk and have the person well. I walk about it well. As I look, and my landlord will 3 months rent too. He said, forget it. You are going to pay my rent today now. Of course. And before I go, please, I beg. For guys that my friends will not talk about relationship, marriage. Please, if you don't date them at least 2 years, you supposed to know whether you will marry them or not. Don't put these girls there. Men they twist it from one door. You go friend them. One guy dates one girl for where they stay before for essence. 8 years. Now I ask and say, bros, why you never see one man? He said, I dey test the character. Now still, what you still dey test? 8 years. But for me, I date one girl from Nigeria for just 4 years. 4 years. 4 years. Just so 4 years now. You know. But that's why your people don't grow. Now, from this stage, I've been there for 4 years. But when I was young, after 4 years, I come to you will meet my mom. But please, on one condition, the day you will see my mom, you don't have to tell her your name is Emeka. You have to claim your name is BC. I said, me, Chukwemeka. I won't play BC. But because of the love I get for this day, I said, okay, no one, I will be busy. The day I reached the mama house, and I saw the mama sit down for 4 hours. I said, I want to listen. I want to listen. But ladies and gentlemen, all of my colleagues are still to perform tonight. Thank you very much for having me.